All right, bro.
Steve. Got him.
Alright, finally a beautiful day in central Pennsylvania after a very rough spring. Got another amazing outdoor living space underway. Let's go check it out.
All right, beautiful morning here in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. Got a new pool put in by Integrity Pools, and we're gonna be putting in some patio over here. But today we have to tie into some drain spouts. Got a couple coming down there and then one on the far side house there. We'll tie all them in and get them to come over and meet this drain spout in the corner, which will eventually go into a water retention pit over here. Got some waterfalls on this pool coming off of this side. We're gonna backfill all these pipe today and start getting that up to grade. So yeah, the beginnings of a project here with CE Pontz. Stay tuned. Back here, day 2, we got the irrigation done yesterday. Well, got it done to the point where we need to get it done too. We'll have to finish connecting it here towards the end of the job, but ran a pipe from a little drain spout over here coming down, and then we ran that pipe all the way across over there, came back along the patio there, and then we ran it all the way over to here and connected in for our drain that's going along there. We popped up a pipe there. That pipe runs over here, and here we are daylighted. Eventually that pipe will connect to that guy, to another drain spout there, and into a retention pit right there. But today we're gonna take that machine and we're gonna scuff out a little more dirt over here for where our patio needs to go, and that little orange line. So we need to scuff that area out, do a little retaining of that garden bed behind it. Probably have 24 inches there. So that's our job today, and then we'll get our fabric. We'll tamp this, we'll get our fabric in, we'll start getting our base up, and you know what we do. It's gonna look great.
Out here representing Bobcat, you know. We got Bobcat. I think someone owes us a sponsorship.
Respectfully.
Job site update here, midday. We've gotten, we do need to get a little bit more underliner here and some stones in here, but we're still working on this area. So everything else though has got its liner in, and the first 8 ton of stone are in. We'll need another 8 ton to get it all the way up to where we need to be. But you can see the patio space taking shape, looking very nice here already.
Very nice.
We backfilled all of the pipes here for Integrity Pools around their little waterfall features. There's 3 waterfalls on this pool. There's the second one going in, and the third one over here. So yeah, but all that stone's in, so now we can backfill with dirt. She's coming along nicely here. Only a couple days in, we're moving good.
So as you can see, Matt and the boys, got Matt and Derek back there, rocking and rolling on this job. Lash is still working on all that drainage and these downspouts, starting to get the base for the patio in. Got a little retaining wall going in along here, backfilling, more landscaping to come up over there, and working our way out with the base. More stone coming in soon. Check it out. Once again, Monster Energy, we're still waiting on our sponsorship.
Yeah.
You need to holler at us.
I am the beast.
All right, little end of the day roundup here. So we got our stone up to grade. We're ready to screed on our stone base here. Really taking shape now. Also did this nice little stone wall here to retain our grade coming down from behind there. Got to do a little shaving right there on that hillside to get it down so it isn't so steep, and feather that in. And then they're gonna shoot this pool here soon and fill her up with water, so that'll make everything look real nice too. We still got a trench and a little pipe here, attached to that downspout, get it out over this way. There's another downspout, we'll attach that, and then we're gonna dig again, an irrigation pit right in there. We also moved a bunch of soil back here, put that on top of our stone that covered the pipes for the waterfalls back here. So yeah, that's coming along real nice too. We're here, end of day 4, end of our 4-day work week as well. As you can see, we got discrete in here today. A little bit of a delay. We had to dig up a trench right here and extend our pipe so we could get our patio to where it needed to be. So got that done, and then came in and just got all this screeding done here up until this point. So we'll start laying along the drain over there, and we'll come this way. We'll work our way back that way. Once we're done working in there, we'll finish this screeding all through here, and we'll work our way out of here and end on this end. All right, end of day 5 here. We had a really productive day here and got all the Teco block pavers laid in here throughout the whole patio. We just need to do cuts along the pool and cuts along the edge for our soldier course. But yeah, we're real happy with what we did. 7 skids laid today. 3-man crew. Myself, Matt, Berto, and Derek. We're out here working hard in the heat. Stay tuned for this finished product. She's gonna be a beaut.
All right, so boys were cooking yesterday. Got the majority of the patio laid in one day. Go check it out. Tad bit muddy. Absolute muddy mess out here. Still in good spirits. Getting through it. Patio looking absolutely amazing. Minus a little bit of mud that's on there. Looks like they got the Pebble Tech up in the pool. Getting there. Should be full of water soon. Now we're getting landscaping all in the back done around the mud. I'd say it's just a little bit of mud. If it wasn't muddy enough, rained again last night. Look at this nonsense. Yay! Good news though, pool's done. Fucking sharp. Never not sponsored by Monster Energy.
We're not here to take part, we're here to take over.
I am the beast. Yeah.
All right, but Steve. All right. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Let's take a little tour here. Update on this beautiful job here we're working on in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Right now we're working on a water retention pit. We got our pipe right down here. We got to tie in, clean out, and then we're gonna make this pit, collect all the water, fill that up with some 2B crushed stone, little fabric underneath it, wrap it up like a pretty present, and that'll be all done. We'll fill it back in with dirt and we'll finish our grading all through here. Got all our planting in and done and mulched. We'll end up cleaning all this up and seeding all the dirt areas that you see and clean all that up. Added more bed space over here and 3 arbs, and then we're gonna do another pretty little Japanese fern plant. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but it's pretty. And then we've got some cherry laurels going in here. Bobby from Integrity always doing his thing. And then we've got the pool full of water, looking gorgeous. Bobby did have the waterfalls on, but I was too slow to get my camera and catch that. But yeah, we did all this planting, crepe myrtles on either side, up lights on it. Place looks amazing at night. So yeah, this job's coming close to an end. Should have it wrapped up in another day or two with all the fine details and finishing touches. So stay tuned for the before and after.
Okay!
Fill her up. We got some specs on this. We got solar powered, dual fan action, 3 speeds. Yeah, that's right, 3 speeds, on off, rechargeable without the sun.
Holy moly.
That's right, keeping your neck, keeping your face. Yeah, it feels good.
Oh.
Almost forgot, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.
Hey!